Please check this out. VAT qualifying Mercedes-Benz V300 on a 2025 with just over 1,000 miles. Now you are going to be saving about £65,000 against a new one if you were to get one like this. And this is no ordinary Mercedes V-Class. It's on a full Rovelver conversion, and the finish on it, I know we say this quite often, but it's mind-blowing. We have had dozens of V-Classes here, jet classes, all the best ones. But this one, I was blown away from the attention to detail because it isn't just focused on the passengers in the back. The driver, the exterior, everything about this car is nothing short of outstanding. Now with such low miles on, the car is like new, inside and out. You've got the upgraded 19-inch diamond turned wheels with gloss black, the chrome detailing on the side, and it is the facelift model with a newer style to the headlights, newer rear lighting system, but all the fun is inside. Let's start with the driver and passenger, because why should we leave them out? Before you even go that far, let's start the door card, because I haven't seen another conversion where they touch the door cards. There's a lot of mahogany wood around the vehicle, and I'm not talking that cheap, nasty wood. I'm talking good, expensive, premium materials. It feels good, but just to look at, you go, yeah, that's good. But then you've got the Alcantara with the white stitch, and look at the detail. Most people don't go to this sort of attention because they don't need to, but this one has. There's Alcantara here, but then you've got the stretch of the leather. There's that wood again, ambient lighting everywhere. The carry-on dashboard, that lovely porcelain white leather on the steering wheel, and then you have the diamond quilted seats, like you would get in a Mercedes S-Class, because that's the feeling you get when you're in this car, in the front or the back. But then there's Alcantara everywhere on the roof lining, the A-pillars, the B-pillars, everywhere. Clear sight rear view mirror, so the reversing camera just there. More cubbyhole space, 2 keys, armrest. This front section comes off, so again, it gives you a bit more comfort. And that's just the front, but the game changer is in the back. Now, this is going to be a long video, I can tell you now, because the car has so much to offer. I am going to try and touch on as much as possible, but there might be certain areas that I miss. So again, please do get in touch with me if you want to know anything more. Just a quick statement. This, genuinely, from the research that I've done, similar ones, like for like, I think we're going to price ours nearly £40,000 to £50,000 lower than the next one. And that might sound like a joke, and you might even think, why? That's because we sell cars very fast here, we sell the best, and we want to give our customers our best deal up front, not wait for you to call me and go, right, what's your best price? It's not needed. Them days are well gone. So let me just quickly tell you what this car's got. I'm going to jump forwards and backwards, so you have to bear with me a little bit. The first thing is, like you would get in a Rolls Royce, you've got this lovely, such soft, almost silk carpet on there. I almost feel like it's criminal to walk in it with these shoes. You've then got the Rolls Royce style Starlight roofing, which again, you can change all the colours, from all the colours in the rainbow to your blues and greens and purples, do what you want. As I mentioned in the front of the Alcantara, now this has been stretched on the roof lining, the B pillars, the A pillars, the bulkhead, the round the back, but every single part of the car has been modified, and I mean perfectly well. These are just additional cushions, which I'll come back to, but even the speaker covers, that's all illuminating. The venting above your head, illuminating. You press one little button here somewhere, and then you've got little reading lights that pop on. Illuminated lighting round here, but again, not just left as a blank B pillow, you've got that mahogany wood, that good quality wood. And that wood is stretched on the armrest area, the door card of the rear, even the center console here. Now this is a 4-seat configuration in the back. So these are full reclining seats, and so are these full reclining seats. I don't remember the last time I've seen the reclining seats like this one with a built-in headrest. If you look at this, for example, the little button here, you push that up and it will take that up again. On most converted vehicles, that's just sticking out all the time. You have to pull the thing out to be able to watch the TV. So the fact that this is built in, nice and slimline, slick, and you push the button and it goes back away again. Every passenger gets 3-point seat belts. You've got a nice digital clock just there. Okay, it's not a Patek, but it'll do a good job. And then you've got cubbyhole space, all felted properly. But this is where the fun starts, because it has so much. I'm going to go this side, I think, because I think we're better. You might want to come in, Tom. There's a little pad here. It's like the brain of the car. Come in, sit down, Thomas. No one's going to shout at you. You might as well. Let's do this together. So, if I start with the screen, that's the TV there. Big TV, I'm sat here. I can press one button and it'll go away. But I've also got intercom, so I can speak to the driver by pressing one button. I don't need to put it down, but that's probably because I want to say hi to my son who's sat at the front, blah, blah, blah. Press that button again and it goes up. You know what I also like? Is the speed it goes up. I saw one not so long ago. It took an eternal, it was just slow-mo. That fast, good. The car down below here, you've got PS5, which is logged in, as you can see. The remote for the PS5 is just here, ready for usage. Keeps the kids happy. If you're a big kid at heart, it'll keep you happy. There's a screen behind me, which will go through in a minute, don't worry. But the button's there, you can flip it up and down. That's an Apple TV, and the remote is just there. But this is where, if you go here, go to the fridge, press open, and that's a fridge. And I'm not just talking one where you put 2 cans in it. At the minute, there's 4 water bottles in there, 2 cans in them, there's space there for a lot more. This is a big fridge. Press it again and it goes away. But right next to it, you press open, and it's got a little special compartment for your drinks, for your little shots of espressos maybe, and your little espressos itself. But then, good idea, Tom. If I go this side and press espresso, press open, and here you have it. Your espresso machine. I know there's others that do it, but it's the fitting, it's the quality, it's the whole finish of this is mind-blowing. But then it gets slightly better again. Let's close that. You press that button, you press open, electronically, the embellishment is absolutely stunning. The wood, the leather, the finish of this Alcantara. The table just come out. So lazy, but I absolutely love it. But then even the trimmings around here where the cup holders sit, the magnetic blinds, sun protection glass. I can close the door by pressing this one button. There's light above my head, there's light above here, there's mirrors there, there's third zone climate control. It just goes on and on. Now if I want to close these tables away again, I don't need to go on there and I don't need a degree to use this car, the point I'm making. I can press one button, off you go. Same again, that side, but because I'm lazy now, I'll just press that. It's incredible. Now this is the super elite. This is for someone that goes, I want one and I want one to be the best that nobody else has got, or someone can't say, well, I got one, but it didn't have a fridge, or didn't have a coffee machine, didn't have tables. This has got everything. Heated, ventilated seats, reclining seats, all here. Everything's at your fingertips. Down below, the mahogany wood has a little drawer. You can pull it across, little secret compartment, put your phone there, put your wallet there, little bits and bobs that you want to. Little section of leather here, leather on the top, followed by wood. I haven't seen anything that comes close. Even the space, with it being the XL, there's tons of space as well. It is mind-blowing how cool this car is. And then it gets slightly better because the space, built-in umbrella holders, literally thought of everything. Round the back you have the LED rear lighting system. You've also got the window access just there, and you can literally just drop a bag in, dead simple. If you don't want to do that, you can press that, automatic flip up, and then you've got a boot space. Because sometimes when you buy a converted vehicle, you haven't got this. You can't put a couple of suitcases in, push chairs, nothing. You can literally travel around with 4 of your friends or customers, but you can't do anything else. But then check this out. The detailing, like I said, it's not just, what's in front of your eyes. It's behind the scenes, all the way up here, leather, Alcantara, the airbag, speaker system. It's beautiful. If you like what you see, and you thought to yourself, you know what, I'm going to get one. Through the business, maybe because it's VAT qualifying. I want one for the kids, for the family. Because it's nice to drive around in style, and kids and family members love that sort of configuration. And it's super good quality. That's the difference. Very low mileage, light new, Obsidian blacks, 25 registration, XL, executive, going live now. If you like this car and you want to buy it, give me a call, drop me a text or a WhatsApp. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.